sharp fall in shares of these capital goods companies, particularly in Siemens, and what triggered this fall? Vamakshi is joining in with more details on that. Vamakshi.
Well, yes, Hormaz, the stock has tanked in trade after commentary that came through from the management in its con call. The company's management said that government spending in infrastructure continued, but at a slower pace in the first half of the year. Now, keep in mind that this was largely expected, mainly on account of the elections, but the management sounded positive. They're saying they're expecting an uptick in the second half. Now, the other part is of private Capex. Now, private Capex, they said, was good in semiconductors, batteries, EV, but was quite slow in traditional technologies, and overall they said that private Capex has not picked up meaningfully, so this was a bit of a negative. Apart from that, the stock is mainly down because of the comments that they made on the HVDC side of the business. So what they said is that energy business was seeing very strong demand, and they were quite hopeful that HVDC would be a major growth driver going ahead, but the catch is that the company said that they are not present in LCC technology, that is the line commuted converter technology, in India or anywhere globally. They believe strongly in the VSC, that is the voltage source converter technology, because it is superior, and most of the current projects that are being bid out are using LCC and not VSC. Right now, the numbers on VSC are not very material, is what the company has pointed out, and they did say that they will participate in these tenders when they arise. So this commentary that came through from the management was a key negative for Siemens today. But apart from that, they also mentioned that in the digital industries business, they were facing headwinds, mainly on account of the semiconductor shortage and some level of destocking that was led by customers. They also highlighted that the margins out here fell on account of pricing pressure as well as unfavorable product mix, but they're expecting this to recover over the next couple of quarters. So given that commentary that came through from the management, it is definitely impacting Siemens, but it is also having a rub-off effect on some of the other capital good names.
Thank you so much for that, Vamakshi. Very, very important commentary coming in as far as Siemens is concerned in the conference call, and the back of that stock is seeing quite a bit of a sell-off, taking down quite a few capital good companies along with it. But the other stock on the radar, which is